So guys, I am super excited. I'm having some friends come over and we're going to be breaking out the Uuni Pro and making some wood-fired pizzas. What we're going to do though, differently, is we're going to be making our own pizza dough following the Uuni recipe. So let's go ahead and get started and see how this comes out. So I have 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. I have 4 teaspoons of sea salt that I ran through a blender. This makes it extra fine. And I have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure you have type 0 flour or extra fine flour, strong flour. This is the kind of flour that you're going to need to make a really good pizza dough. Okay, so I'm going to actually use a mixer for this. Let me just turn this on low. So the dough's been rising for about an hour and a half now, and I'm ready to divide this up into 6 equally sized portions for tonight's pizza party. So let's see how much we have here in total weight. All right, so I have my scale here. Just tear that out, shall we? Okay. So I have 60 ounces. That's actually perfect because what I can do is divide that by 6. I'll have 10 ounces per dough ball, okay? So we separated out the dough balls and we're just going to let that rise for at least another 20 minutes before we want to stretch them out and make our pizzas. Looking forward to it. Thanks again for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again.